Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of the Cooking Goth, and tonight I'm going to teach you guys how to make my oranges and cream cheesecake. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and then hit the bell for the notifications so you'll know whenever I post a video. And if you like this video, please like and share and talk about it and make it go everywhere. And this is what you're going to need to make my awesome recipe. A 9-inch pie pan, 2 tablespoons of Tang, 2 8-ounce packages of original cream cheese, 2 chicken embryos, aka grade A eggs, 8 ounces of sour cream, a half cup of sugar, whipped topping just enough to cover the top, vanilla ice cream, pretty much as you want, but at least, I would say, at least 8 scoops, because 8 slices, 1 orange, maybe 2 oranges, 1 stick of unsalted melted butter, and 2 cups of crushed vanilla wafers. First, preheat your oven to 325 degrees. Next, in your 9-inch pie pan, mix together your vanilla wafers and your butter and flatten them out to make the crust, but be careful, this is going to be hot. You should wait until it cools down. Now mix your cream cheese, your sugar, your Tang, and your sour cream together until fully combined. Mix your embryos together one at a time inside your Tang. Then fill your crust with your tangy batter and bake for 40 minutes. After chilling in your refrigerator for 4 hours or overnight, top with your whipped topping, decorate with your oranges, and then give yourself a scoop of ice cream, and now you're ready to eat that creamy Tang. And now finally for the taste test. Get some of that, and get some of the orange, and some of the ice cream, some of the whipped cream. Oh my God. Oh, that's so good. Get some of that crust. I've had this a few times before, except for I didn't have the whipped cream. The whipped cream I just thought of the other day. Oh yes. And a bite. I love it. By the way, if you get oranges that have seeds in them, make sure to pop your seeds, because you don't want those seeds going in the Tang. You know what I'm saying? But that's all I got for you guys tonight. Have a great night, everyone. I hope you enjoy this. I hope you make it a million times, and I hope you share this.